Weather Service in Lincoln has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Marshall County in central Illinois, Woodford County in central Illinois, Tazewell County in central Illinois, western McLean County in central Illinois, until 5 p.m. At 4:07 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from McNabb to San Jose, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Bloomington, Eureka, Normal, East Peoria, Morton, Washington, Metamora, Germantown Hills, El Paso, Tremont, Minong, Roanoke, Mackinac, Hudson, Delavan, Toluca, Minier, Washburn, Danvers, and Wayona. This includes the following highways: Interstate 155 between mile markers 12 and 31. Interstate 39 between mile markers 0 and 40. Interstate 55 between mile markers 147 and 166. Interstate 74 between mile markers 99 and 135. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. for central Illinois. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is no